Hi everybody, my name is Dan Kruger. I'm a biology teacher at North Penn High School, which is about an hour outside of Philadelphia. My experience with developing multimedia education or applications is fairly limited. It's something I would really like to get better at. I'm pretty comfortable making PowerPoint presentations and Google Slides. We made Google Slide last year during this whole COVID thing. Become more familiar making videos, just to kind of provide some instruction for my students at home. But I think now especially multimedia applications is something I would like to get better at developing and just more comfortable and more confident with. I guess a little bit about myself personally. I have two kids. I have a 3-year-old son, and then we had a son that's about 2 weeks old, so just a little guy. But I'm really looking forward to working with everybody over this summer, and I'm excited to get started. Thanks. Bye.